Hi friends, welcome to back my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to implement stack in Python using Python. Before starting video, I want to tell you what is stack. Stack is a linear data structure um, in which data is stored in a LIFO or LIFO manner. What is LIFO? LIFO is last in first out. The item which will be stored last in the stack, that item will be out from the stack first. So this manner the item is stored in the stack. Let's start the implementation. First we have to create a class of stack, then if init self stack equal to, then function for push self self item self the stack class that append item append the item, then print that item, then code for to print that pushed item, print the item push to stack, and function for pop pop self item. If here will be the condition, if the if the stack will be empty, then we can pop it. So we have to condition it, if condition if set each empty, then print stack is empty, can pop of the operation. Okay, then return, sorry, then return now, then return self the pop item stack dot pop. Then we have to write the length of the stack, or length of the stack. Okay. So then return length self dot stack equal to 0. Then the item in the stack we have to display. If we have pushed multiple items, so to that display self if self dot each empty, then print stack is empty. Each then we have to find the else part, else print stack member, stack elements are self dot stack stack. Then for menu level you have to write def def stack operations stack equal to, you have to create file to print. Choose an operation. Choose an operation. Then print a pop one dot post. First we have to write post print total pop print display three number display display stack, and final one for exit from the program. Exit. Is equal to int. You have to give the charge as input integer value. Input as integer value. So int input and your choice. Then if for choice 1, 2, we have to write um, if choice equal to 1, then item equal to input and item to be false. To false. Then stack dot false item. Then elif choice choice 2 pop popped item popped item equal to stack dot pop. If if popped item is not known, it's not known, then print popped item pop underscore item. Then in elif choice 3 choice 3 wow. This is for display star dot display, then elif choice for exit choice for exit print exiting. Exiting and break the command. Break program. Then these uh, choices, if you are giving the input as 5, the 5 choice is not available, so we have to write 5 or invalid choice. Print invalid choice. Choice. Please try. Please try. This message will pop up. This message will be print. Then only if name name equal to main stack operation. Stack operations. Completed the code. Let's test it. Yeah, you can see that uh, operation keep uh, push an item to choose one item to be push. It's 8. Again push another one. 4. Again push 7. Push 6. Let's display that pushed item 3. You can see that pushed item is here. Then we can pop it. Just 2. Let's display one item 6. It's not there. Here it's 6, but here 6 is not there. Then again pop. Another item also deleted. Pop. Let's check. One item is remaining in the stack. Again pop. 3. Just 3. Here you can see the stack is empty. Here we just 2 pop, but stack is empty, cannot pop this one. Then just 4 for exit. This is exit from the program. This is the full implementation of stack using Python. Please subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video and comments to my video. Thank you to all.